All right, friends, welcome back. This is Patrick Lang again, Mobile Marketing Solutions, with our Mobile Marketing Solutions Content Management System. This is part two of the initial training on exactly what this content management system entails and what it can do. Now, as a reminder, we're going to talk now about the pages, creating pages for your mobile website. Now, first and foremost, it is unlimited pages you can create. But please keep in mind, this is a mobile website, and you want to keep it in its simplest form because people aren't going to spend tons of time on their smartphone going over a 150-page website. But nonetheless, it does have the ability for unlimited pages, which is goes above and beyond a lot of your content management systems that are offered on the internet. So let's go ahead and add some pages. Now, as you pull down this add a feature, there's actually 37 features you can add to your mobile website. But let's go ahead into the simplest page, and it's about, the about page. Now, you can change this title. You can say, um, let's make it welcome to my mobile site. Again, no matter what you type in here, um, you can you can type in anything that you want. So you can have a welcome to my page, about my business, my history, whatever your business is. You can create pages that give people general information about your business. Now, this is the icon that they've designed into the system for about, but you can change the icon. But here are a lot of, if you were to choose this icon here, it changes to, and this would actually be for video pages. Let's go back and change it again. Or you can select a file. You can create an icon um, for your page. Let's go ahead. Let's select a file from my pictures. Let's go back to that demo icon. Let's bring that into the picture. And there it is. So on this particular page, if we were to go back, well, we got to type some information here and just say, welcome, please let me tell you a little about myself, period. Again, this can be any kind of text that you desire. You highlight that. You can. There's a few fonts here you can select from. Let's go to Verdana. Let's go to font size. Let's make it large, and let's center it. Okay. Now let's go back to the bottom of the page, and let's save. Now, this is what happens. It's created our first page. This is an actual, what will actually appear on your cell phone. So this is the icon you can use or any other ones. Now, the page is active. You don't have to delete the page here. You can actually just make it inactive and it won't show on your site. Let's go back. It's gone. Let's change it back to active. So if you were changing your site around, you wouldn't have to delete everything. You just make them inactive. Now, let's go back to appearance. Well, let's create another page. Let's create an appointments. Now, this is really cool because you can actually add your Google Calendar for your business, for meetings, for special occasions, anything that you would want. So let's go ahead and say save. Let's see if they ask you for a. Yeah, we actually need a URL, so I'm not going to go ahead and do this for you. But you see my point. You add in your Google Calendar, create a Google Calendar. It'll show this icon, and you can adjust your Google Calendar through your Google account, and it will actually update through your mobile website, which is pretty cool in itself. Let's go back to pages. Let's go down, scroll down here. And here's another where you can add actually a custom page. And you can have a web page. You can actually take a page from a website, your internet website, and actually copy that URL and save. And it'll actually convert. If that internet page is not too complicated, the software will convert it to where it's mobilized. If it's very intricate, it's going to change it, and it may have trouble changing it, and it may appear very uh, cut up on the actual page. So you can do a manual page. It'll go right back down to this what you see is what you get widget, or you can add a URL to an existing web page here, and it'll take you right to that URL. Let's go back to pages. Let's add a page. You can add your Facebook link. You can find us locations. Now this is pretty cool because you can add a Google map. If you have a brick and mortar business, you can actually add a map. So it'll ask you this general information. You can say find us, or you can say this is the way to my store, or write the store name in, and it'll ask for all this information, and it'll actually create a actual Google map. And you can add several locations if you have multiple locations. So that's a really cool feature also. Let's go back to pages, add a feature. You've got deals and promotions, you've got events, you've got a form builder. Now a form builder, you can actually construct a form. And let's just put form builder. It'll say submit. Once people submit, they'll get a message saying thank you for submitting the form. And you're going to add where you want that information to go to. So if your email is mobile12@gmail.com, all the information created in this form is going to bounce to that. So let's create a quick form, a text field, and ask for name. Patrick. You have to say it's required. You can add another field. It says Patrick. Now you can add another, say a name and phone number. So whatever information that you ask for and make it required, it'll add that field. Okay? So now our form has already been created. It's going to ask for your name and your phone number. I'm sorry, I think I messed it up here. Let's edit that. It's not going to ask for, you're going to ask for the name, not my personal name. Okay. So now you've got two fields in your form. It's going to ask for name and phone number. All right, then that's been saved. Let's go back to pages. Let's look at our website. And there's the form builder. Okay? You click on that, and there it is. You're going to ask for your name and your phone number, and you're going to put it in and submit. It's going to bounce to whatever email address you put in the form. And so you're collecting people's general information so you can market to them. That's pretty cool. Let's go back here. Edit. Let's change the icon. Let's just say, let's use this one. Okay. Let's change the icon. Save form details. Let's go back up to pages. I should have that icon. See it there? Now these tabs will stay. Add to Android, add to iPhone, add to BlackBerry, add to other OS phone systems. And what that's just saying is it's a simple directions on how to add your phone there. See, add app to your home screen. Bookmark it, open the browser. So simple directions. Now, powered by Mobile Marketing Solutions is always going to be there. That's a marketing tool that they've built into the system for my benefit. You can't remove that. So every app that you create is going to have that there. If you were to click on that, it actually goes to my um, mobile site. All right. So let's go back. Hit home. We won't go back there. Let's go this way. Okay. Now, some other really cool features. And we've got about 5 minutes left, so I'm going to rush through this. If you own a restaurant, you can take restaurant reservations. You add services, a share bar, and what that looks like is this. This is really cool because on the bottom of the actual site is going to show this bar on every page. So if you have a Facebook link, or if you have Twitter, or if you have Google Plus, or you want a direct line for people to call you, you input that information and they can click and go to those websites via their mobile phones. So friends, I can't stress to you the power of this content management system for mobile marketing solutions. If you care to, call me, contact me. I'll give you a 30-day trial just so you can play with the system to see its true strengths. And then you can make a decision, an unpressured decision to whether you want to purchase the system itself, lease it, and create your own mobile websites. Again, videos, you can add videos. Let's go to that site. You can do a web page to mobile conversion. You can add individual videos. You can put your YouTube channel. You can do a Vimeo channel or add URL to any video that you want, and it'll play on your mobile website. Let's go back to the pages. Let's go to appearance again because now we've got two pages created. And I want to show you again the difference in the icon versus the tab look. So here we have the icons. See how that looks? So people would actually, on their phone, they'd actually click on these icons and all of your pages that you've added. Or let's go back to tabs. Let's do a quick switch. Go back down here to save. And this is a more streamlined look. It gives you welcome to my mobile site, the form builder itself. Welcome, please let me tell you a little bit about myself. Let's go back to home. So it gives you this cleaner look with the tabs versus the icon, but that's your general preference. I prefer this look myself. That's what a lot of mobile websites look like, but again, you can do whatever you choose to do. Now, let's show that QR code. I'm going to leave it up on the screen for a little bit. You should be able to scan this and pick up that demo site and get a feel for it on your smartphone. Okay? Again, this is what you're going to supply everybody, a QR code or that actual mobile my mobile website mobilemarketingsolutions.mobi as a link. It'll take them to your mobile website. They can then download it to their phone and save it to their home page. All right? It's a great system. It's very simple, as you've just seen, to control and to develop your mobile website, but yet it's very, very in-depth at what you can do. So please give me a call anytime. Area code 815-585-0904. That information will be on the email that I send you, or you can call me anytime. Ask me any questions. I'll walk you through any difficulties you might have. And if you're interested, again, in a 30-day free trial, just to play with the system, to develop it and see how easy it is, your own mobile website, I'd be more than happy to do that. And you'll see, again, the simplicity of our mobile marketing solutions content management system. Thanks. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.